Every time you take a tablet, injection, or medicine, have you ever wondered how it knows where to go inside our body and how it works inside your body? Today we are going to simplify the concept of pharmacology, the science of drugs and their actions inside our body. So what is pharmacology? That is what we are going to look at, ladies and gentlemen, in today's lecture. So when we said pharmacology is the branch of biomedical science that studies drugs, including their sources, actions, effect, and how the body responds to them. So if we are talking about pharmacology, it's one of the branch of medical sciences where it deals with the study of the sources of the drugs. That is where we get the drugs from. The sources. Is it from plant sources? Is it a synthetic chemical substances produced in the laboratory? And their actions, how do they actually act in our body? How our body responds to them? And how they respond to our body? Including their effect in terms of, is it that the drugs are made for disease prevention? Is it that the drugs are made for the diagnosis of the disease or for mitigation of the disease? Because pharmaceutical industries can produce drugs for different purposes. Some drugs are meant to prevent a disease. Some drugs are meant for mitigation of the disease, while some drugs are meant for treatment of the disease. So we need to study the effect of the drugs and how our body responds to them. So in simple terms, pharmacology is the study of drugs plus body interactions. So when we are thinking about pharmacology, then we need to understand the drugs themselves and how those drugs interact with our body. So what is the drugs? The drugs is a chemical substance used to prevent, diagnose, treat, or relieve disease or symptoms. So when we are talking about drugs, a drugs can be meant for the prevention, diagnosis, or treatment, or to relieve a disease or a symptoms. So that is what we call a drugs. It is meant for either prevention, treatment, diagnosis, or to relieve the disease itself or the symptoms of a particular disease. So that is what you call a drug. And then very importantly, we need to understand, because when we are talking about pharmacology, then we need to understand our body, how the body affect the drugs and how the drugs also affect the body. So that is why at this point we need to understand the two major branches or types of pharmacology, which include pharmacokinetics. So when we said pharmacokinetics, is the study, or it means what the body does to the drugs. So when you take a drugs, so what our body does to that particular drugs that you take. So that is why in a simple terms also pharmacokinetics, from the word kinetics, it means the movement of the drugs through the body. And what drugs does to the body is to absorb it, to distribute the disease, and then metabolize it, and finally excrete the drugs. So it describes what the body does to the drugs from the time it enters the body until it is eliminated. So that is what you call pharmacology, or sorry, pharmacokinetics. That is what body does to the drugs, which include absorption of the drugs, distribution of the drugs, metabolism, and up to the point of elimination, that is excretion. So it describes what the body does to the drugs at a point where the drugs it enters and up to the point where it leaves the body, that is eliminated. So now, what about pharmacodynamics? So we said pharmacodynamics, it means what the drugs does to the body. So this includes in the pharmacodynamics is the study of the biochemical and physiological effect of the drugs and its mechanisms of action. So first, when the drugs it enters, so in a simple term, when we said pharmacodynamics, it describes what the drug does to the body to produce its effect. So once the drugs it enters into our body, then a receptor will recognize them. So that is how the body, sorry, that is how the drugs knows where to go. So once we take a drugs, we have receptors. We have different receptors for drugs. and our receptors will recognize that drugs, bind to them. Then after you have the drugs receptor interaction, then there will be a response. So once you have the response, then the last thing is then therapeutic effect. Then the drugs will produce its therapeutic effect, whether it is meant for prevention, whether it is meant for the diagnosis of the disease, treatment, or relief of the symptoms. So that is actually pharmacodynamics. Then the next thing is, of course, the goal of pharmacology. What is the goal of pharmacology? The goal of pharmacology is to develop and use drugs safely and effectively for the benefit of patients. So you have to make sure that any drugs that you are taking or any drugs that you are given as a pharmacist, you need to make sure that you give the right drugs. You give the right dose, you give it to the right patients, and then you give it at the right time. Then you make sure that you minimize the side effect of the drugs and then maximize the benefit of the drugs. So then now, what are the applications of these drugs? The application of the drugs include disease treatment, prevention of the disease, diagnose conditions, and then improve the quality of life and ensure safety. So that is what exactly what drugs does to our body. So ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment with your favorable comment in this video. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. See you in my next video. I hope you will find this video very interesting.